Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you recently lost or misplaced your iPhone and wondered if you can find it even though it's probably switched off? In this video, I will show you how to track your lost or stolen iPhone even if it is turned off. Let's go. If you lose or misplace your iPhone, the Find My features come in handy. Remember, this feature is only useful if you enable it on your device before it was lost or misplaced. This specific configuration can be accessed in your Settings by tapping on your name and opening the Find My option. In the Find My iPhone menu, the appropriate toggle must be activated for you to be able to locate the device. Another useful feature here is the Find My network, which allows you to locate your device even if it is offline. If Send Last Location is toggled on as well, your device can automatically feed its last location to Apple servers when the battery is low. This is especially helpful because once the battery is completely drained, your iPhone will no longer be able to send its current location. So if you have these Find My features enabled on your device, you can follow these steps to track it. From your browser, visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Provide an authentication code if you are signing into your account for the first time in your current device. Once logged in, click on the Find My menu on the dashboard. Go to the All Devices option at the top of the page and select your iPhone from the devices listed. Now you have three options. First, select Play a Sound if you have just misplaced it nearby to alert you to its current location. Activate Lost Mode to remotely lock your lost device and enable its location services, so you can see its location on the map. Finally, click Erase iPhone if you're concerned your device has been compromised. This removes all of your personal information, including your credit, debit, or Apple Pay prepaid card from your device. So whoever has your iPhone cannot access any sensitive information stored on it. If your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later, you can still find or play a sound on your device after it has been erased. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.